Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Tune 770NC headphones, and trust me, you'll want to watch this before you make any purchasing decision. We've done extensive research on these adaptive noise-canceling headphones, and I've included a link to the absolute best price in the description below, so make sure to check that out. In this video we're evaluating the JBL Tune 770NC based on price, performance, build quality, and real-world usage scenarios to help you determine if these are the right headphones for your needs. Let's dive right in and get started. The standout feature of the JBL Tune 770NC is undoubtedly its adaptive noise-canceling technology paired with smart ambient modes. This intelligent system automatically adjusts to your environment, delivering zero distractions whether you're studying in a busy cafe or getting completely lost in your music during your daily commute. The headphones feature the latest Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio support, ensuring exceptional wireless streaming quality with minimal latency, with 40mm drivers delivering JBL's signature pure bass sound to same audio profile that powers some of the world's most famous music venues. You're getting professional-grade sound quality at a consumer-friendly price point. These headphones are clearly designed for the modern multitasker, students, remote workers, commuters, and anyone who values both isolation and awareness depending on their situation. The ambient aware and talk-through features, accessible through the JBL Headphones app, let you instantly tune into your surroundings without removing the headphones, perfect for quick conversations or staying alert while walking through busy streets. The technical specifications are impressive for this price range. The 770NC delivers up to 44 hours of battery life with ANC off, or a still remarkable 27 hours with active noise cancellation engaged. The quick charge feature provides 3 hours of playtime from just 5 minutes of charging, which is outstanding for those last-minute dash-out-the-door moments. Furthermore, the multi-point connection capability allows you to seamlessly switch between two devices, making these ideal for professionals juggling work calls on their laptop and personal music on their phone. The JBL Headphones app elevates the experience significantly. You can customize the sound signature through preset EQ modes or create your own curve to match your content preferences. The app also offers separate audio and video modes, the latter ensuring perfect synchronization between sound and visuals for movies and gaming, addressing a common Bluetooth headphone frustration. Additionally, the voice-aware feature during calls lets you hear your own voice naturally, preventing that awkward tendency to shout when you can't hear yourself. Build quality feels substantial with a foldable design that's travel-friendly, and the comfortable ear cushions make extended listening sessions a breeze. The physical controls on the ear cups are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to manage playback, calls, and ANC modes without reaching for your device. However, one notable downside some users may find is that the headphones lack premium materials like metal hinges or leather cushions that you'd find in higher-end models. The all-plastic construction, while durable, doesn't quite match the premium feel of competitors in the $150–200 range. Additionally, while the pure bass sound signature is engaging for most genres, audiophiles seeking perfectly neutral sound reproduction might find the bass emphasis slightly overwhelming for classical or acoustic music. The adaptive noise-canceling performance is remarkably effective for the price point, though it doesn't quite reach the industry-leading levels of Bose or Sony's flagship models, but considering these cost significantly less, that's an acceptable trade-off for most users. You got it. So that's it for the best adaptive noise-canceling headphones on the market for this year at this price point. Please like this video if it helped you, comment below if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.